Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Is it audible, please? Kindly response. Is it audible, please? Anybody? D2, D5. Is it audible?
Audible, sir.
Sorry. Hello. Is it audible, please? Anybody kindly response? Satvik. Satvik, kindly update your roll number.
Hello.
Hello.
Viresh. Update your roll
Update your
number.
roll. Can we start, Amma? Kindly response. Is it my audio is visible? Sorry, audible. My audio is clear for you. Anybody are any getting disturbance? Nobody responds here for me.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Audible. Thank you. Thank you very much. So yesterday's class we have seen formation of fibers without tab setting. Tab setting. That means, so you can see that I'm going to draw two images here. Two images here. One sending end, receiving end, transmission line. I'm taking one more single line diagram. The same transmission line. The same transmission line is incorporated with a transformer. This is sending and receiving end. Did you identify anybody here? The difference between these two? Anyone can unmute by yourself and can respond. One male and one female, please. Because I have two classes today, one theory and one lab. Hello? Or else I will call the name. Hello? H0? H0? Hello? H0? Are you there? C3? C3, are you listening, Amma? Anybody kindly respond.
Sir, 2 voltage levels, sir.
Can you name your name, please, Amma?
Sir, F2, sir. Purna Teja.
Okay, Purna Teja, right. You can see that sending end and receiving end, it is connected with the transmission line. Whereas the other single line diagram, SLD, this is also SLD. Both are single line diagrams only. So here you can see that here it is completely transmission line. It is here completely transmission line. Here transmission line plus transformer together is existing here. So if you see that in the original, sending end bus and receiving end bus is incorporated with a transformer, and creating a temporary bus. The purpose of this transformer, I can use step up or step down, or it may be auto transformer, or it may be nominal transformer. Normally call it as half nominal transformer. Only one winding will have a transformer, other winding will have only one turn. It may be primary will have a number of turns, secondary will have one turn, or else primary may have one turn, secondary will have more number of turns. So in step down transformer, we define K. Is it right? N2 by N1, sorry. Can you tell me what is this K?
Transformation ratio, sir.
Right. It is also equals to V2 by V1, can I write? Which is also equals to I1 by I2, can I write?
Yes, sir.
Right. So step down or step up depends upon the turns ratio. If K is greater than 1, K is greater than 1, K is less than 1. So K is less than 1 means what happens? Step down. K is greater than 1 means step up. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So based on the step up and step down transformer, we can use in application. So similarly in auto transformer, if you see that the diagram of auto transformer, which we are going to connect in a application, which I have drawn here, sending end, receiving end with reference. So this becomes an auto transformer. The purpose of this auto transformer, the secondary voltage I can regulate. With the help of changing the turns ratio. That is, V2 is equals to K times V1. If K is equals to 0, output voltage 0. K is equals to 50%, output voltage will be 50%. K is equals to 100, then output voltage is equals to input voltage. Like that, our auto transformer principle can be used. Whereas half nominal turns ratio means only one winding will have turns. Other winding will have single turn. Other will have single turn. That means usually it is represented the nominal or half nominal turns ratio A is to 1 or 1 is to A. A is to 1 or 1 is to A in some textbooks, or in some textbooks they represent 1 N is to 1 or 1 is to N in some textbooks. Some textbooks they follow. Here A means primary will have a turn, secondary will have a single turn. Here primary will have single turn, secondary will have more number of turns. A is to 1 or 1 is to A, or N is to 1 or 1 is to A. So therefore, if I have any transmission line which is incorporated with the tap settings or half nominal turns ratio, then how to find Y bus? And it is also defined in terms of what we call direct inspection method only we have to apply. With the help of direct inspection method only we have to apply. So with the help of direction and inspection method only we have to determine the values. So that is most important. Which we have to follow here. But in this case, transmission line is represented in pi model. Here also transmission line represented into pi model only. Pi model only. No change in the representation. Here it is transformer. This becomes line. This becomes line. How it is being represented in terms of single line diagram. In terms of single line diagram, you see that the same which I am going to redraw my image of my single line diagram, the tab settings of the transformer, which I am taking A:1 or 1:A, A:1 or 1:A. A:1 or 1:A. I have taken here A:1, 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 and which will be the reactance of the transmission line. I am creating a temporary node, sending end, receiving end. This becomes YTR, or else I am going to represent this bus as P, this bus as Q. This is temporary or fictitious bus TQ. And this becomes the transmission line reactance, and it is also represented with offline charge admittance. Offline charge admittance Y PQ dash by 2, Y PQ dash by 2, Y PQ dash by 2. That means offline charge admittance of the total line. Did you observe, Amma, the image?
Yes, sir.
Did you observe my image? See, this is transmission line which is represented into pi model here. This is transmission line which is represented into pi model. Whereas here in single line diagram, you can see that it has been provided with a tab setting, which the tab settings is, or half nominal tab setting is A:1, and this is line, the line which is represented into a pi model. And if a tab setting is there, I need to find Y bus. Or else, what are the changes in Y bus? I have to determine. So this is the concept which we have to apply here. So for the time being, I am removing this offline charge admittance for the simplicity of the calculation. Later, I am going to add this one as it is, but I will take this one straight away. So what we know that, can I write this voltage as VP, this voltage as VT, this voltage as VQ, and the current flowing here is ITQ? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
So because P and Q and the current flowing here from T and Q, right? Raskocha,
Yes, sir.
right? What are the others are doing, Amma? Simply sleeping, There are 28 members in the class. 28 members, no response. F9, Srikanth. F9, Srikanth.
Yes, sir.
Are you in the class?
Listening, sir.
Listening, okay. So do you understand what I have written here
Yes, sir.
with the single line diagram?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Now you see that I have to frame this one into Y bus format. So Y bus format means what we know, I bus is equals to Y bus into V bus. Is that right? So how many buses are here? Can anybody tell? Is it
Two,
two
sir.
buses, right? Two buses. So P bus and Q bus. Can I represent this one into two-port model? Can I represent this one into two-port model?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So two-port model means two-port admittance parameters model. So I will write the T equations here first. Admittance parameter model. So you can see that here what I am writing. V1, sorry, in terms of admittance means I have to take current I1, I2 is equals to Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22, V1, V2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Right, very good. So now from this, can I write I1 equation, I2 equation, whatever I am finding here, Y11, Y22 called diagonal elements. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Y12, Y21 becomes half diagonal elements. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now how to find Y1, Y22 values from this expression, right? So now you see that this is primary voltage. This can I take secondary voltage? So therefore V2 by V1 is equals to V2 by V1 is equals to K. So what we know that? Or V2 by V1 is equals to K. Secondary voltage by primary voltage. Can I write? Because this is N1, this is N2. So therefore, what happens? Whose identical quantity in terms of nominal ratio? V2 by V1 is equals to 1 by A. Can I write? Please,
Yes, sir.
can I write? Because this
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to N2 by N1. Avuna? So therefore, which implies secondary voltage V2 is equals to V1 by A. So that means here secondary voltage is VT, primary voltage VP by A. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now I am taking this one as equation 1. Raskocha,
Yes, sir.
right. So now I am rubbing in the bottom here. I am rubbing the admittance form in the bottom. Now, can you tell me what is the current ITQ from this? What is ITQ? Can I write like this? VT minus VQ into YTQ. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Raskocha.
Sir.
Right, very good. So therefore,
Yes, sir.
this I am taking equation 2. 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 I have equation 1, equation 2, equation 2. So from this, from this, the current which is coming out has here IT. The current which is entering here, I can take I1. Avuna? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Right. From this, what we know, this is equals to I1 by I2. Avuna? You see that? Is it equals to I1 by I2? It is
Yes,
also
sir.
equals to I1 by I2. Raskocha. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Right. So from this, can I write? This you keep it as it is. So from this, I1 by I2 is equals to 1 by A. Can I write? Raskocha,
Yes, sir.
right. Right. So from this, I1 is equals to I2 by A. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Raskocha, you have to respond now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is equals to. So this is I2, this is entering current, this is leaving current. Here you see that I2 is equals to ITQ, Raskocha.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So therefore, I am writing here ITQ by A. Raskocha,
Yes, sir.
which is equals to VT minus VQ by A into YTQ. Raskocha.
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you. Right. Next. So from this, I got input current, input port current. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I need to find output port current. Output port current, I2. 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 So what will be the I2 here?
A into I1, sir.
Can I write A into I1 opposite current, which is nothing but here, the current which is coming here, I2. A into I1. Raskocha,
Yes, sir.
which is nothing but I2 into minus A into ITQ. Raskocha,
Yes, sir.
opposite current. Here it is entering. Here it is current, negative. Is that right? Both are entering. Is that right? I1 plus opposite ITQ, which is minus A ITQ. Raskocha.
Yes, sir.
Right. So therefore, which is equals to, sorry. There is a small change. One second, Anna. One second. One second. Only 1 second, Anna. ITQ is right. So from this. Okay. Right. So, some small change here. This is right. As far as my knowledge is concerned, this is right. So this, just a minute, just a minute. I'm rubbing this one again. Up to this, it is correct. No problem. No problem. So from this, so this is my current I1. This is my current I2. This is my current I2. So what happens my I2? Right. So now you see that my I1 current I1 by I2. I1 by I2 is equals to 1 by A. Can I write? Anybody response, please? Sorry,
Yes, sir. Yes,
this
sir.
is right,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
I1 by I2. So from this, is my I1 is equals to IP, Raskocha, primary current from the image, the current which is
Yes, sir.
VP is the primary. This is the current which is injected at the input side. This is the current which is injected at IQ. This is I2. Raskocha?
Yes, sir.
Right. So based on this, I2 is equals to ITQ, Raskocha. I2 is equals to from this.
Yes, sir.
I2 is equals to ITQ, Raskocha.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now at this bus, this is the current which is leaving from the bus, IQ. This is the current which is flowing in the element. Suppose if I want to know impressed current at IQ here. So what will be IQ value? In terms of bus, in terms of two-port network model. Opposite current only, no? That is IQ is equals to minus ITQ. Raskocha. Bus impressed current at second bus. Please kindly respond. Raskocha. Based on this image.
Sir.
The current which is leaving here, this is IQ. I want to know impressed bus current. You see that this is the impressed current bus at IP. This is the impressed current at bus IQ. So in terms of admittance form, I1, I2. IQ is equals to minus ITQ. Raskocha. So therefore, from this, IP is equals to I2 by A. Raskocha. Raskocha, please.
Yes, sir.
Which is nothing but I2 is nothing but ITQ. ITQ by A. Raskocha. So therefore, bus current IP is equals to ITQ by A, which is equals to VT minus VQ by A into YTQ. Raskocha.
Sir.
YTQ. Raskocha. Raskocha లేదా నాన్న? For the
Yes, sir.
impressed
Yes,
current
sir.
at first bus. Impressed current at first bus. Right. So therefore, using this condition, using this condition, again, I'm using the second condition. I need to get IQ. IQ is equals to minus ITQ. Avuna? అవునా కదా?
Sir, IQ is equals to plus ITQ కదా sir?
నాన్న ఇది లీవింగ్ కరెంట్, ఇంప్రెస్డ్
Yes,
బస్
sir.
కరెంట్ కావాలి. ఇంప్రెస్డ్ బస్ కరెంట్ అంటే ఇంప్రెస్డ్ అంటే ఇక్కడే కదా. See here what it is doing, this direction should not change, no, in terms of this port format. Two port model
Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి ఇమేజ్ గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోండి. టూ పోర్ట్ మోడల్ ఇమేజ్ గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోండి. రాయనా ఇక్కడ షార్ట్ గా రాస్తాను చూడండి. V1 V2 I1 I2 అవునా?
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it right?
Yes,
So based
sir.
on that, IQ is equals to minus ITQ, opposite direction. This is entering, this is also entering. Both entrings are ITQ plus IQ is equals to 0. So therefore, IQ is equals to minus ITQ. Raskocha.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, IQ entering, sir, Ali. IQ.
Entering impressed in terms of bus frame. నీకు Y bus frame చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా చూసుకొని నేను ఏం తీసుకున్నాను? Y bus, all are entering currents. I1, I2, I3. మీకు మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫామ్ Y bus డెరివేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా జనరేటర్ కి అయితే ఎంటరింగ్, లోడ్ బస్ కి అయితే లీవింగ్, బట్ ఇంప్రెస్డ్ కావాలంటే ఆపోజిట్ తీసుకోవాలని నేను చెప్పాను చూడండి. ఇంప్రెస్డ్ బస్ కరెంట్స్ I bus is equals to Y bus into V bus. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, that also I will prove for you. Just a minute. So now here VT minus VQ divided by A into YTQ. That's Kocha.
Yes, sir.
Minus ITQ. అవునా కదా? సేమ్ ఇదే రాస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ, బట్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్. I'm removing this. So just again I will come here now. Can you tell me what is VT? What is VT? From the diagrams, you see that this is my transformer, this is VT, this is my P. Primary voltage by secondary voltage is 1 by A. Avuna?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Avuna
sir.
kada? Is it right? From this, VT is equals to VP
Into A.
into A. Raskocha.
Yes.
Raskocha. Can I substitute this one here in these two?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Checha.
Sir.
చేయకూడదా?
చేయొచ్చు sir.
Right. So therefore, చేయొచ్చు కదా?
Sir.
చేయొచ్చా చేయకూడదా? Right. So therefore, IP is equals to VT. So VT is nothing but, what will be my VT? VP by A. రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Sir, VP into A.
Just check it. Wait second. V2 by V1 is equals to K, which is equals to V2 by V1, which is equals to 1 by A. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
అంతేనా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now secondary voltage is VT, primary voltage is VP, which is nothing but 1 by A. అవునా? From the transformer, secondary is VT kada.
Yes,
You see
sir.
the image. You see the image. This is VT. This is VP. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
కనపడుతుందమ్మా ఇమేజ్ బోర్డు మీద?
Yes, sir.
Spaceless every time. So this is secondary for time being. This is primary for time being. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, VT by VP is equals to 1 by A. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
So then what will be VT? VP by A kada?
Yes, sir.
Right. So therefore, I'm substituting for this. I'm substituting for this. Yes, coach.
Yes,
So
sir.
therefore, you see that in the bottom I am writing IP is equals to VP by A minus VQ into YTQ divided by A. Raskocha.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Similarly, IQ came Raskoch Nana. VP by A minus VQ into YTQ. Raskocha. YTQ. Raskocha leda.
Yes, sir.
Right. So can I separate these quantities separately in terms of this format? You see that IP is equals to VP by A square into YTQ. Raskocha, first quantity. I'm sending this one, denominator A square. Raskocha. Kindly response, Amma.
Sir, IQ
Yes, sir.
equation,
Tell me.
sir. The reverse is not wrong,
I-
sir. Like
ఏది
IQ. Sir.
IQ ఎందుకు మైనస్ సైన్ పెట్టలేదు అంతే, మైనస్ సైన్ పెట్టలేదు, చూసుకో కావాలంటే.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
IQ is equals to minus ITQ, మైనస్ పెట్టలేదు అంతే.
Yes,
అవునా?
sir. Yes.
Right. Now it is cleared. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we will see that here. Now ఇది రాసుకోవచ్చా? VP by A square into YTQ రాసుకోవచ్చా? రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా నాన్న? Kindly response.
Yes, sir.
Right. Minus, I'm sending this one inside. దీనికి ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు నాన్న? VQ into YTQ రాసుకోవచ్చా? ఏ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుందా మళ్ళీ?
VQ by A వస్తుంది సార్.
VQ by A. Right. VQ by A. Right. అంతే. Right. VQ by A. Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Because ఈ A ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ A స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. Can I write this is one equation. Sending end equation. Can you tell me what is IQ from here?
Minus VP by A into YTQ.
Minus VP by A
YTQ.
into YTQ minus into plus.
Plus.
అవునా?
Yes, sir. VQ into YTQ.
VQ into YTQ. రాసుకోవచ్చా? రాసుకోవచ్చునా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So based on this, if I put it into two-port model, IP, IQ, రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
VP, VQ, రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this you can see that YTQ by A square.
A square.
అవునా?
Yes, sir.
This is equals to YTQ by A. This becomes YTQ by A. This becomes YTQ. అవునా?
Sir, minus YTQ by A కదా sir?
అదే మైనస్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను కదా.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is VP కదా. VP కదా నాన్న.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
You see both diagonal elements are equal
Yes, sir.
with a negative sign.
Yes, sir.
Diagonal elements, you see that here.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I want to represent this one into pi model. I want to represent this one into pi model. Pi model ante entamma ante, you see that I am drawing the image here. Idena?
Yes, sir.
This is input current. This is port 2 current. Y1, Y2, Y3. Avuna? V1, V2. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Why I am going for pi model? If I represent this one into pi model, incorporation is easy and I can apply direct inspection method. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Now using this, can you tell me what is Y11 from here? What is Y11? What is Y12? What is Y21? What is Y22? కనపడుతుందా నాన్న కింద? Right. What is Y11? If you take this as port 1, this as port 2. From this, can I write Y1 plus Y2 by direct inspection method?
Yes.
రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
This becomes Y1 plus Y3. రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
This becomes minus Y1 minus Y1. రాసుకోవచ్చా? Because between 1 and 2 only one element is connected. అవునా? Kindly response. If you have a doubt, raise it. I will tell you now only. Those who listen, they can able to concentrate, because next class I want to take lab Y-bus formation with the tap settings, without tap settings, with the half line charging, without half line charging. Everything I have to do it in a program in MATLAB.
Yes, sir.
Kindly response, Amma.
Yes, sir.
రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
You see how many here connected? 1 and 2. అవునా?
Yes,
How many
sir.
connected? 1 and 3.
Yes,
Between 1 and 2, Y1. Between 2 and 1, Y1. I
Yes,
should
sir.
put negative sign according to
Y1.
properties. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
From now, if I equate Y11, can I equate this equals to Y11? This is Y12. This is equals to Y21. This equals to Y22.
Yes, sir.
So from this, so Y1 plus Y2 is equal to YTQ by A square. రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
Y1 is equals to YTQ by A. రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
Right. Again, I am rubbing here. I am again rubbing here. Y22 is equals to sorry, y1 plus y3 is equals to ytq and రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
This is equals to y21 which is equals to y12 అవునా? Because negative sign default పెట్టాలి with a negative sign అవునా?
Yes, sir.
All right. So from this, what is y1 value? Minus ytq by a. What is y2 value?
Ytq by a square minus
y2
ytq by
కావాలి నాకు, y2 కావాలి because I want to represent into pi model. Pi model ఈ వాల్యూ కావాలి, ఈ వాల్యూ కావాలి, ఈ వాల్యూ కావాలి. y1 I know. What is y1? Minus ytq by a. అవునా?
yes, sir.
What is y2?
Ytq by a square minus ytq
yt
by
by q by a square minus
minus ytq by a.
y1 అప్పుడంటే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది ytq by a. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, one second amma.
Y1 is equals to
Sorry, y1 is equals to minus ytq. So therefore it becomes minus. అవునా? y2 is equals to minus, sorry, y1 is equals to minus y2 కదా. నాకు y2 కావాలమ్మా, y2 కావాలి, y2 ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? y2 is equals to ytq by a square minus y1 రాసుకోవచ్చా?
yes, sir.
రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So
sir.
therefore
అప్పుడు ప్లస్ అవుతుంది.
ytq a square plus ytq by a. ఇక్కడ నుంచి
Yes, sir.
ytq by a కామన్ తీస్తే 1 plus a by a, 1 plus a రాసుకోవచ్చా? వన్ ప్లస్ ఏనా?
Sir, 1 by a plus 1 వస్తుంది, sir.
రైట్ అవునవును, 1 by a plus 1 అవునా? y2 వాల్యూ రైట్. సిమిలర్లీ y3 ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న?
ytq into 1 plus 1 by a, sir.
ytq 1 plus 1 by a
1 by a.
అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So now I got y1, y2, y3 అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you see that transmission line pi model and this pi model both I'm going to incorporate in one line. You see, this is my tap setting transformer. This is my impedance of the transmission line. P is sending end, Q is receiving end, offline charge admittance. అవునా? కనపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Now this I want to incorporate this entire term into pi model. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Right. So just a minute, I will incorporate and complete that one. You see, this is my y1, this is my y2, this is my y3, and this is my half line charge admittance ypq dash by 2. Here half line charge admittance ypq dash by 2. This is p, this is q. రాసుకోవచ్చా? y1, y2, y3 రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
Now you see that this I have pushed here, this I have pushed here. Now this entire system which is similar to my representation. అవునా? నార్మల్ గా అయితే ఇది ఇక్కడ రాదు, ఇక్కడే ఉంటది. అవునా? ypq dash by 2 అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
This is ypq dash by 2. ఒక హాఫ్ లైన్ చార్జ్ అడ్మిటెన్స్ p ఉంటే ఇంకొక హాఫ్ లైన్ చార్జ్ అడ్మిటెన్స్ q దగ్గర ఉంటది. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? మనం
Yes.
రిప్రజెంటేషన్ లో.
Yes, sir.
So this I am keeping as it is. This I am keeping as it is. This entire model ni నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ ఏ విధంగా
Pi.
రిప్రజెంట్ చేసిన
Pi model.
పై మోడల్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇవి రెండు ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయి, ఇవి రెండు ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయి,
Parallel.
ప్యారలల్ అడ్మిటెన్సెస్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా,
Yes, sir.
y ప్లస్ y గా
Yes,
దీన్ని
sir.
కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా, ఇది ఒకటే
Yes, sir.
లైన్ అడ్మిటెన్సా, ఇది ఒకటే లైన్ అడ్మిటెన్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ పై మోడల్ ఆర్ నాట్, ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్? This is y2 plus ypq dash by 2. This becomes ypq dash plus y3. Raskocha.
Yes, sir.
So now it looks like pi model. Avuna ka?
Yes, sir.
Now if I add this thing, this is represented in pi model. Now can I apply direct inspection method?
Yes, sir.
So this elements connected at this bus, this elements connected at this bus, and this becomes transfer admittance between P and Q. Avuna,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Avuna kaada? Just you see that I'm going to show you a PPT for you, representation of offline tab settings. Just you can connect for lab. Now what is the instructions given for lab? All in one batch, 50%, 50% off. Can you see my screen now here? You see that here? అవునా, ఇదేనా నేను చూడండి అన్న. If you have confusion, I will stop this screen. I will stop this screen. Again, I will open.
Yes, sir.
I stopped the screen. ఇదేనా నేను తీసుకునింది?
Yes, sir.
Input, output, A:1, YIK. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Is this which we have got it? No, sorry, ఇది వద్దలేండి. Is this the equations? We got it. IP, IQ. So no need to worry this. So the same thing again, I'm going to share one more image. You can just see that. What is the difference between previous and this?
Ratio, sir. A is to 1.
Change it. Change it. N1, N2. Is it right? This
Yes.
also I have given. This also I have given. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Idena? Is this VI, VJ? Avuna?
Yes, sir.
YT, మనం ఏం చేసాం, ఇన్పుట్ J this, you're coming for
PED lab,
participant
sir.
one. PED lab.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow becomes PS1 lab.
Yes, sir.
That is the instructions given.
Yes, sir.
Right, Amos. But in timetable, it is not like that. In timetable, PS1, like that, they
Yes, sir.
specified.
They have
First lab
given
is-
the both.
both they have given. So that
Yes,
is the
sir.
difficulty here. So as per the instructions here, they took first PS1 first. Next is PSD. Next. So first lab which I got, PS1 will be completely for me. PSD lab for Hemant sir. I think Hemant sir will be the subject.
Yes, sir.
If anybody have a Hemant sir number, just kindly contact and ask them whether the sir will come to the lab or I need to continue. CR is there in the class, sir. If sir wants to continue, I will continue. Sir will take tomorrow. No problem. Is it anybody coming?
Sir, in the morning session, Hemant sir asked us to join for lab, sir.
He's asked our lab to join. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Just once you call it and confirm it, Amma. Whether sir will take, or if you want number, I will give you number, sir number.
Okay, sir.
Nine seven
Yes, sir. 97
660
660.
3162.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just contact and immediately, as nobody don't leave, any one you can connect. Before that, I will message Hemant sir. Hemant sir. ల్యాబ్ మీరు తీసుకుంటారా, ఫుల్ నేను తీసుకున్నా? మొత్తం నా దగ్గర ఉన్నారు స్టూడెంట్స్. అదే నేను పిల్లలకి ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాను, రేపు సార్ తీసుకుంటాడంట అనేసి. రైట్, చెప్పేసి కుమార్ సార్కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వమని చెప్పేసి. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హలో హలో హలో, ఇస్ ఇట్ దేర్ ఎనీబడి?
Yes, sir.
సార్తో మాట్లాడానమ్మా, నేనే తీసుకుంటాడు. సార్ రేపు మార్నింగ్ తీసుకుంటాడంట.
Okay, sir.
Right. So we will see here the lab version of YBus using MATLAB program. Anybody is working in the MATLAB software? I will share the program. Hello. Can you share a document?
Yes, sir.
Is it my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Is it my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have to go for power system simulation lab. Here we have to see formation of fibers, formation of Z bus, one after the other. So you can see that what are the things we are going to cover, what are the list of software, so how to run the program. So this is what the power system structure layout, how it becomes generated, generation, transmission, and distribution will take place. So where you can able to see that layout in terms of structure, the voltage levels and the current levels, and current levels of their various substations. So this becomes single line diagram representation of the network. So this is the complete N mission system representation of the power system network. So these are all the softwares which has been used to run the MATLAB power system software. So we'll come here, load flows this a bit later. Can you see these two statements by direct inspection method? This is what I've given in the class. Can anybody respond, please? V bus is equals to Z bus into I bus. V loop is equals to Z loop into I loop. I bus is equals to Y bus into V bus. I loop is equal to V loop, Y loop into V loop. Formation of admittance matrix. YPP, self admittance or driving point admittance at pth bus, which is equals to sum of the admittances connected to pth bus. Is it right? Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, YPQ is right. Mutual admittance or transfer admittance connected between buses P and Q, which is equals to negative sum of all the admittances connected between PQ buses. Sum means if the number of elements are connected in parallel. If it is single line, it will be 1. If it is multiple line, 2 lines. Sir, multiple lines means you see that I am going to draw 2 lines for a particular line here, which will be useful for you. This is line 2 buses. How these 2 are represented? Any lines unayama?
2, sir.
2. If I increase this,
3.
3. So yeah, how many transfer admittances I will get it here? 4. Total 4. So in that case, if it is only one, then it will be single admittance. Okay. Here you see that parallel connected all 4. If it is parallel connected, sum of all the admittances connected between the buses P and Q. Okay. Right. I will come for this later, not now. Formation of fibers I'm going. Is it how many buses are there?
5.
How many buses are there?
5.
5 buses. What will be the size of 5 bus?
5 into 5.
5 by 5. Very good. Right. Can I take this as the number of lines? You see that how many number of lines? 7 lines. Is it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there?
7, sir.
7 lines.
7 lines. So I need all 7 lines data. That is series impedance and offline charge admittance. Is it right? So can I take this as data?
Yes, sir.
What is this? What is this? What is this? Can anybody tell? Is this series impedance of the line?
Yes,
Is
sir.
the series impedance of the line? Is this series impedance of the line? Is the half range charge admittance of the line? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many elements you will get it for Y11, Y2, Y33, Y44, Y22, Y55. For Y11, only 2 elements. Y33, 1, 2, 3. Y44, 1, 2, 3. Y22, 1, 2, 3. Y55, 2 elements. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The same concept which I am going here, I am erasing this. This I will come later. Can I read like this data in terms of matrix form? We know that MATLAB, every data read in matrix form. Is that right? Which I have given in demo lab. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada? Avuna kada? You see that line data connected between 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. So you see that all these are all resistances of the lines, reactance of the lines. This becomes half line charge of the line. So tab settings I have taken all are one. You see that NL, NR, resistance per unit, reactance in per unit, half line charge admittance in per unit. If it's equals to one line, if it is greater than one, less than one, you can see that taps on the buses NL. Tap on the buses NL, that is on sending it. Okay. Now, can anybody calculate what is the Y11 value for this network? Can you see both at a time? Can you see Nana both at a time? Is it possible? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So from this, Y11 is equals to, can I write Y13 plus Y12 plus Y13 dash by 2 plus Y12 dash by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada? So this becomes diagonal element. Can you tell me anybody what is Y22? Y22 by seeing the image. How many elements are there in 22? 4 elements. Avuna? 4 elements. This is you see. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. This is 1. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. At Y22, 4 elements unnaya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 elements means an element connected between 1 and 2, an element connected between 2 and 3, an element connected between 2 and 4, an element connected between 2 and 5. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
As per direct inspection method, algebraic sum of these primitive admittances. Avuna kada?
Yes,
Even
sir.
for the statement. So therefore, Y12 plus Y23 plus Y24 plus Y25 plus y12 dash by 2 plus y23 dash by 2 plus y24 dash by 2 plus y25 dash by 2. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
If suppose if the offline charge admittances are not there, what is this values? Can I take 0? If the
Yes, sir.
capacitance is
Yes.
0,
Yes, sir.
capacitance is 0, infinite, admittance is infinite. Avuna? Infinite means open circuit. Avuna?
Yes.
So this all becomes vanish. Only primitive admittances will get it. Primitive admittances will get it. Right. So similarly, can I frame for Y33, Y44, Y55? Raskocha?
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good. So now you see that I am reading the data. I am reading the data. In which format I have read the data? Matrix form. Matrix form. So these are all completely line data. Line data. Next. Kindly read the program. Kindly read the program. Kindly read the program. Here, just you see, I'm again unmuting here. I'm removing this line data. I'm making Z data, which is much easy. Because in the program I have written Z data. Otherwise, it will give an error. All right. Right. Z data. Oh, no. Just see that. Z data. Z data. Right. Just kindly read the program. Just kindly read the program. Everybody. Everything. Before going to this, I'm going to run this. I have another example, worked out example that I will show you. D3, Rishi is present. D3. Very good. E1, E1, Pavitra. Is listening? Right, very good. G3, Shalini is present.
Sir, yes, sir.
Right, right. Very good. Thank you. Are you reading the program?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Just share the screen. I'm just finding how many are concentrating because it is recording everything. Mama now? Can you tell me
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
y11, y22? You see the board, y11, y22 are the diagonal elements. Is that right? y12 or y21 becomes half diagonal elements. Avuna? Avuna kada? Kindly respond, Amma. Now you can interact. Some 2-3 members you can unmute and you can
Yes,
interact.
sir.
Those who are from India, you can unmute, make silence of others, close the door, and you can interact with me because I am going to explain the program. Now, for a matrix, I have row, I have a column. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Right or Rasindade? This is 1-1. First row, first column. Avuna? This becomes second row, first column. This becomes third row, first column. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
This becomes first row, second column. This becomes first row, third column. Column 1, column 2, column 3. This becomes row 1, row 2, row 3. Avuna? Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
to find diagonal elements, row equals to column. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
For half diagonal elements, row is not equals to column. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada? You can
Yes,
just
sir.
see that. So I have two conditions here. To find diagonal elements, rows and column numbers are equal. To find half diagonal elements, rows and columns are not equal. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Two conditions I have to apply. See, in program, how I read the data? In terms of Z, R
Matrix.
plus JX, impedance form. Avuna? Admittance kanukovalante which is equal to 1 by Z. Avuna? Which I am
Yes,
writing
sir.
here in the bottom. Admittance kanukovalante 1 by Z. Avuna? Mathematics began. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
So one condition, you see that rows and columns are not, for the diagonal elements, rows and columns are equal. For half diagonal elements, rows and columns are not equal. Two conditions I have to apply. And whatever I am giving the input data, which I have to find reciprocal. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Right, very good. So you just see that I'm marking here on my, can I take these are all columns? These are all columns. These are all columns.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
take? Now you see that I am going for another color. Can I take these are all rows?
Yes, sir.
Isko cha? Right. So what I am reading, first row, then column. Avuna matrix read చేసేటప్పుడు element name. Any variable, you see that A of 1, 1. Avuna? This is row, this is column, which I have written in the corner of the whiteboard. Avuna? You see that. A of 1, 1. This is row, this is column. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
If I write like this, colon, 1, what is its meaning? What is its meaning?
First column all element.
Row is variable, column is fixed. Column is fixed. Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Avuna? So you see that first line, you leave it. I will talk about this line later, not now. So this is not important now. So NL is my from bus. NL is my from bus. NR is to bus. Sir, ela sir ante you see, this is my NL. This is my NR. Avuna? From bus. This is to bus. Raskocha? Because data given like that. Avuna? You see that here. These are all from buses. These are all two buses. Avuna? Kindly respond, Sama.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you see that what is my first line? NL. First data NL is my from bus. Avuna? Similarly,
sir.
NR two bus. NR is two bus. NR is two bus.
Yes, sir.
Third column in the matrix I have given resistance. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Fourth column reactance data in per unit. Avuna?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
right? Hey, anybody, Nepal students are connected in the line, please respond. Any Nepal student? J1, J2, J3. Not yet came, huh? Right, no problem. Not yet came, no problem. Right. Now, you see that NBR. NBR means number of elements or number of branches, which is equals to length Z data column comma 1. Length is a keyword. Length is a keyword to find the length of the matrix. To find the length of the matrix. Length of the matrix means complete number of rows present in the matrix. Number of rows present in the matrix. Length is a keyword. Length is a keyword. Length is a keyword. I will show you this while executing in the program. Next, n bus, number of buses is equals to maximum of NL, maximum of NR. That max is a keyword. Max is a keyword which identifies the maximum number. Which identifies the maximum number. Did you want to work this one in MATLAB? These two statements? Or you know? Chapanana. Anybody, please. Anybody, please. G naught. Shavani is present. Shavani is present. Right. E naught. Navya. Did you present? F8. Kiran. Kiran Mai. Kiran Mai. D4. R Srinivas is present. So now you see that n bus, which identifies the maximum of buses from bus to bus, from this entire maximum will be found. That is equals to R plus JX, which is represented into polar form of the branch impedance. You can see that admittance is equals to 1 of NBR comma 1 dot divided by Z. So this makes reciprocal. This makes reciprocal. You can see that here in my data. I'm finding the reciprocal of each and every data. I'm finding the reciprocal of each and every data. You see that here. So this is the statement which I am using here. Reciprocal. 1 of Once means that entire matrix, number of elements are there, all that will be considered into the NBR. If it is have a 8, so 8 means variable. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1. That the entire Z impedances adding together, and it will be assigned to the admittance. Here I kept one mark called dot. You can just clearly see that here. You can just clearly see that here. I kept a dot here. I kept a dot here. The property of this dot is to convert scalar quantities, the vector quantities into scalar quantities. Vector quantities into scalar quantities. Vector quantities into scalar quantities. Scalar quantities. Next you see that y bus is equals to I am initializing the matrix, because if y bus is a variable which I am declaring, so for that I am initializing all the values into 0. All the values into 0. Next. Similarly, you see that the statements which next I am going to see that for you: diagonal element, half diagonal element, diagonal element, half diagonal element. You can see that here. Formation of the half diagonal element. Formation of the half diagonal element. So condition, you see that how many branch elements are there? All of them I am assigning. If NL of k is greater than 0, NR of k is greater than 0, then we can, you see that here. You can see that here, whatever I am using this expression, I am taking a negative sign of the primitive admittance value. So YNR of k, comma NL of k is equals to Y bus of NL of k, comma NR of k. So both are making equal. Opposite admittances are equal. I put it into loops. You can see that here. K is equals to N bar. If condition, it ends here. For condition, it ends here. For condition, it ends here. Next, you see that the condition, you see that here should be greater than 0. Should be greater than 0. So that is why I am using half diagonal element. Now I am coming for diagonal element. I started a loop for formation of diagonal elements. I am considering all the elements. Condition for each element, I have to check it. What is that? If NL of k is equals to N, and you see that line I put it, this is AND symbol. Here you can see that I put it an AND symbol. The use of the AND symbol, both will be equal. Both statements has to be satisfied. If NL of k is equals to N, NR of k is equals to N, then Y bus is equals to, you see that this entire thing, it is put it into loop. So this loop will be continued till this statement is completed and this loop is continued. All that will be added algebraic sum and the program will be ended here. So we will see that how to run this MATLAB program with here I am not including half-line charge admittances. Later I am going to include half-line charge admittances, tab settings also. Half-line charge admittance and tab settings also. We will see that one also, one after the other. So just a minute, I will open my MATLAB. I will share the screen. E1, Pavitra, is he present? E1. E naught. Are you present? Are you listening, please? You see that I'm going to share, stop share. I'm going to share new screen here. Did you see my MATLAB window, please? Anybody response?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. We know very well, we have done a scripting program for the MATLAB program. So I'm opening a script file. I've already taken the data, which I'm going to show you all the programs for you, which I've already run. Yes. I will copy the program which I've got here. The same thing I'm going to run. Right. I'm going to the program here. I'm saving the file. I'm keeping the name sample YBus, sample YBus 2018 batch. You see that I'm moving here every data in terms of representation, and on the final I'm using a statement called YBus. I'm making as a semicolon. Did you have anybody calculator, please? Hello? To check for Y11. Kindly respond, Sama. Hello?
Yes, sir.
All right. So is it my program letters are visible? I want to increase the size.
Visible, sir.
Sorry,
Visible.
sir.
visible. Okay. All right. So now I am running the program. You see that? At the top of the program, I am incorporating state statements. CLC, close, CLO, C, close all, CLE or clear all. Because if you have a garbage values, it automatically clears. That is why. So now you see that I'm making here the changes. Right. Did you see my matrix fibers? What is the size? What is the size, Amma?
5 cross 5, sir.
5 cross 5.
5
right. 5 cross 5. Now you see that I am going to the program. I am making into representation here. I am closing this one. No need to worry about these things. Is my Z data? Can I put it here? NL variable. What are the NL variables? You can just check it. Is the first column elements of Z data? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
You see that I have used the variable. You see that the variable I have highlighted. If you want, I can make a bit larger letters. Wait a second. Preferences, display, sorry, font. Can you now it become bit? Can you see what is my NL? Is the first column of the matrix? First column of the matrix. Is it right? Anakadanana. Just check it.
Yes, sir.
Now I will type here next column in the bottom. NR. Is the 2 buses? Is the 2 buses? Kindly respond, Sama. 5 minutes. I will leave.
Yes, sir.
Now, so you see that in the matrix form, this is my first column elements. This is second column. Can I see the resistances of the matrix here? You can see that here. R. I'm typing R. Is all the resistance of the matrix? Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I am typing X. Is the reactances of the matrix?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
typing Z. Is it added R plus J?
Yes, sir.
You can see that the statement which I have written in the program. Z is equals to R plus J star into F. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Now I am using small y. Is the reciprocal of all the elements?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the reciprocal of all the elements. I want to know what is NBR. NBR. Number of branches. 7 7
Yes, sir.
N bus. Sorry. Number of buses idena? You
Yes,
see
sir.
that is this? Can you tell me among this which is the maximum number?
4.
You see that I am typing here MAX max of NL. Right? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning? A column which compares each and every element and it will find out the maximum value. Is it right? Like you see that I am writing in the whiteboard 1, 2, 4, 8, 0, then 2, then 6. Like that, if I give, what will be the maximum? It will be 8. Oh, no? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
how it will check? It will check with this. It will check with this. It will check with this. Each and every element will